mentioned, you know, in talking about legacy tech, you said it all sounds a bit negative, which it sort of does, and obviously having legacy tech systems is perceived as a bit negative. But how do you think, Stephanie, that firms can create their own legacy as their business grows?
I really think it's an in-life journey. So I think financial institutions can easily create their own legacy systems when they start integrating various data sets from different sources, like a bit of spaghetti, if you want. It can happen when the business grows to new locations, new lines of products, extended consumer services to SME, and many more scenarios. And this is something that we observe a lot in mid-market, such as fintechs, who created their business quite recently and using different technologies from different vendors. But in my experience, we also observe that with large organizations, which come with a huge history. And in that history, they build several in-house systems and data sources, again, mixing up a lot of in-house type of developments plus external providers. So it can easily create this kind of huge legacy infrastructure and IT in-house. This is really what I observed in a very large bank in Australia, and we have similar scenarios in the UK and in EMEA. And for that particular bank, they retail banking infrastructure was outdated, about 30 years old, and highly fragmented, with plenty of systems and processes to manage the different life cycle of their product, whatever, if it was for onboarding, customer management, and collections. And this legacy infrastructure was really costly to maintain and difficult to integrate with digital channels, very slow to implement. Basic changes like just changing a risk policy was something taking a lot of effort and cost. So they end up with a solution on legacy system that was taking months to have an enhancement being made because they have to retest all scenarios all the time and so on. So definitely, I think legacy systems have been created over time. It's life to follow the business needs, the regulation, how this is evolving, and also strategic and structural changing. So moving to the cloud is an opportunity to review how you want to best serve your clients.